Hey everyone, it's John Mehta here with G&T Consulting. Today I want to showcase a very powerful technique when you're trying to analyze your supplier base and how much they are contributing to the total spend of any dimension of your data. So in this particular example, we have 127 million is the total spend, about 1,300 suppliers. This is the individual suppliers and the spend with each supplier, and that's the spend by my procurement category. We're looking here into some sort of Pareto analysis or ABC analysis, but it's a little bit different. The way this has been set up is I want to be able to group my total suppliers that I have here into different buckets, say the top 5 suppliers, the top 10 suppliers, the top 50 suppliers, and I want to be able to see how much each of these group contribute to the total spend of any dimension that I have into my model. So let's take a look here. In this particular visual here, I can see that I've got my top 5 suppliers, top 10 suppliers, top 50, top 100, and the rest of my suppliers. And I can easily see that on a holistic view of all my companies or all my business entities, that the top 5 suppliers contribute by 40% of my total spend. And the very interesting thing about this is completely dynamic. So I can select any particular procurement category and I can see the top 5 suppliers and its percentages, the same top 10, top 50, etc. This is completely dynamic with any dimension of your data. So if I'm selecting any procurement category, that will slice and dice down this chart. Similarly, clicking into specific company, this will also change that chart. Also, I can, in this visual here, I will be able to drill down or filter down the other visuals. So if I want to see who are these top 5 suppliers that I'm spending this with, clicking that one, this will show me the top 5 suppliers that I have, top 10 suppliers, top 50, and top 100. And it's all completely dynamic, and I can see the contribution of each of these buckets to each of these procurement categories. The way this has been set up is using a supporting table which is completely disconnected from the rest of my model. You can see here there's no relationship or any connection with any table of my model here. By using a little bit of a DAX technique to group and segment all my supplier base into these different groups within my data, it will give me a completely different picture and a very deep insights. By looking at this, the ideal scenario would be having the highest or the very high percentage into the top 5 and top 10 suppliers. And if that's not the case, then there might be an opportunity to do some supplier consolidation in order to gain some cost savings or process efficiencies or whatever the initiatives that I'm trying to drive. Hopefully that all makes sense for you guys, and if you need any help with the procurement analytics within your organization using Microsoft Power BI, please reach out to me at gntconsulting.com.au. Thanks for watching.